ThermoFisher as a company is working to achieve the mission to create a cleaner, a healthier, and a safer world through clinical trials and through enabling our end-to-end digital supply chain. Digital transformation is really an enabler here in order for us to meet our mission, as well as innovation. You can't get there without either of them. One of the common misconceptions is that digital transformation is application of a tool. It's really more than that. It's looking at the people, the process, and the technology. It's really taking a holistic approach and understanding that we need all three of those pillars. So we know that if we just deploy a tool, it will fail. We know that if we just add a role or we just change a process, it will fail. We know that those three things need to be coupled together in order to achieve success. ThermoFisher Clinical Trials Division is working towards having a proactive end-to-end supply chain, and we've partnered with Parkour to build the foundation of that. So we now have the data, and we have the data points and the access, and we'll be partnering to be able to make that data work for us. So being smart and automated and building the logic that goes underneath it that can then drive the automation. And so we'll be partnering closely with them as we define what that logic is, especially because there's tool agnostic benefits and also carrier agnostic benefits that we can utilize and optimize through partnering with Parkour. We're working to use supply chain operations and platforms to really improve the patient experience by that digital touch point. So first of all, we want to make it easy. We want it to be user intuitive and customer friendly and patient centric. So we want to make sure that the touch points that we do have with the customer are all optimized and they're beneficial in creating value for them. We've partnered with Parkour to enable our real-time track and trace service offering for our customers. And what that does is it not only allows us to track the temperature of our products that's going out the door that eventually reaches a patient, but it also helps us enable that visibility that we need across the value chain. We've taken and integrated different sensors. I think there's 40 of them at this point, as well as additional transportation carriers to have that data point for the temperature, as well as the tracking piece of our clinical trials in that area of the supply chain. Right now, we're in the early phases of exploring how digital twin will impact our end-to-end supply chain. So we do have a couple use cases that we're piloting today, partnering with Parkour, and we're additionally building out additional use cases utilizing digital twin. The partnership with Parkour and ThermoFisher's Clinical Trials Division has been really critical to build the foundation that we need to do all the fancy stuff like digital twin, which is where we want to go to in the future, and having that self-driving end-to-end automated supply chain. So we've built the foundation with them, and they will continue to partner with us as we mature and we start building in our logic and that proactive way of working and really making our data work for us.